Perfect.
Welcome to the Autolust YouTube channel. If you're new here, you probably never seen my Bmw 650i, and that's because her life was great, wonderful, even beautiful, but also short-lived. In this video, I'm gonna tell you of a tale of gorgeous beauty, wonderful horsepower, but also a tale of jealousy, hate, deceit, and envy. And first, we're gonna start from the color change. Alright, she pulled that, looking gorgeous. Oh my God, she gorgeous. Wait till y'all see those three-piece wheels I got for her. I'm gonna upload a picture of the three-piece 4G autos I had on her that I just took off. But that exhaust stupid. Pictures and videos could never speak for this car the right way, but I would like to show you just how much blood, sweat, and tears went into making this car look the way it does before the absolute demise of this beautiful vehicle. Huge shout out to Pro Touch Auto Body and the owner John, who almost single-handedly made this car what it is. The cost was upwards of $10,000 to make this car fully custom, including marker deletes all around and other custom bits like the fog lights and headlights. Thank you very much, John. This car was beautiful and well worth the money. Oh no, if I was real lucky, that dash cam would be on there. They made sure they took that. Yeah, because that has all the incriminating evidence on there. It records audio and video.
Normally, I mean, they take the trunk, doors, everything. But it's really in good condition.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be like all ruined.
Oh yeah, usually they'll take the rims and everything, leave it on blocks. I think you fared pretty good.
They didn't cut any of the cabling or nothing.
Tried to act like professionals, I guess.
Man, that's weird. So the door panels are missing, both seats are missing, and the rear seat is missing, and everything else is in good condition, guys.
We've got them, the windows are busted out.
Yes, sir. No, everything looks intact under the hood. Nothing really looks moved or touched. After the car was recovered, I got right to work making the car more beautiful than it was before by extending the beauty of the headlights by adding custom halo rings and turn signals. Also, the car didn't have full coverage, which was a mistake on my part because I took the coverage off while sitting in the paint shop for so long, as it was an extremely meticulous job to get the car to look the way it did. Well, I was left with the task of finding a new interior out of pocket. When bad things happen, I truly believe they happen for a reason, because this brand new interior was found for less than $1,000 shipped to my house. To God be the glory. Gorgeous. Carbon fiber. Android touchscreen. LEDs everywhere. Top to bottom, everything's brand new. Turned out gorgeous. Just beautiful. And the audio sounds great. I mean, oh my God. I was gonna do a sound clip of the audio, but there's no way you guys can tell how crisp and clean it is across. All right, guys, here's the accident here. And keep a close eye on the silver Dodge, I guess Grand Caravan, right here. Look behind it. Boom. Down in the ditch. Here is a more zoomed in, right behind. Boom. Right in the ditch. The guy came out of nowhere, right through standing traffic. And here it is, slowed down. You can see the car literally slides to the side. No turning at all. Barely missed the pole. So you saw what happened to my 650. It was horrible, man. Some people say they glad it's gone because it was bad luck, or the car was cursed. You didn't need it in your life, you know. I mean, but it was gorgeous. And what hurts the most and what bothered me the most about what happened was it was stolen right after my first YouTube video. I dreamed of being a YouTuber my entire life. You know, since I first started seeing car videos and, you know, people modding and building race cars and stuff on YouTube, that's been my dream, my passion, because cars was always my passion. You know, and, you know, everybody was like, start a YouTube channel, you know, and when I finally did, I was like, man, does he want this for me? Is this my calling? Should I be doing this? You know, look, soon as I started, that was literally my first video. I released my first video, and the next video, I couldn't even release a second one because the car was stolen. I spent the first year of my YouTube channel rebuilding my stolen vehicle out of my own pocket from a stupid mistake I made when the car was getting painted. You seen what happened. You know, it was beyond me. You know, it's almost unfathomable. You know, I believe my YouTube channel would be a lot further than what it is now if that wouldn't happen. You know, but everything happens for a reason. You know, so every clip that I had in this video, every video clip, I'm gonna put the link to the full videos for each of those clips down in the description. Those were some of my first videos for YouTube, I think 2 years ago. This is my third year going on YouTube, so this is a pretty new channel here. And thank you. I want to give a big thank you, heartfelt shout out to all my subscribers, because the channel wouldn't be this far if it wasn't for you guys. You know, and like I said in this video, you know, when the car was stolen, everything happens for a reason. I truly believe that the 650 was totaled out, and I used that money with a little extra money, and I bought my 750 horsepower X6M Sasha, soon to be 1200 horsepower, since she's fully built forged engine, built transmission, you know, a lot of world's first under the hood. You know, go check those videos out. So, you know, to God be the glory. You know, I can't complain at all. Everything that was taken from me, God brought back tenfold. So I really appreciate you guys for taking the time out to watch the channel. The car will be getting dropped off February 6th to get the inner chiller installed, and then going on the dyno for that big power kill mode dyno tune. Like, share, subscribe, and Auto Lust out.